Credit monitoring services are an increasingly popular way for individuals to stay on top of their credit and protect against identity theft and other types of fraudulent activity. These services provide ongoing monitoring of an individual's credit report, alerting them to any changes or suspicious activity that may indicate fraud or identity theft. How does credit monitoring work? Credit monitoring services typically work by regularly reviewing an individual's credit report and alerting them to any changes or suspicious activity. This can include new accounts or lines of credit opened in their name, changes to their credit utilization or payment history, or any inquiries made into their credit report. Some credit monitoring services also offer additional features, such as identity theft insurance, credit score monitoring, and alerts for data breaches or other security threats. Why should individuals consider credit monitoring? Credit monitoring can be an effective way to protect against identity theft and other types of fraudulent activity. By keeping a close eye on their credit report, individuals can quickly identify any suspicious activity and take steps to address it before it causes significant damage. Credit monitoring services can also provide individuals with valuable insights into their credit score and overall credit health. This can be especially useful for those who are working to improve their credit score or are planning to apply for new credit in the near future. What are the potential drawbacks of credit monitoring? While credit monitoring can be a useful tool for protecting against identity theft and other types of fraudulent activity, it is important to understand that it may not provide complete protection. Some types of fraud, such as tax fraud or medical identity theft, may not be detected by credit monitoring services. Credit monitoring services can be expensive, with some services charging monthly fees that can add up over time. It is important to carefully review the terms and fees associated with credit monitoring services before signing up, and to ensure that the service is worth the cost. How to choose a credit monitoring service? If an individual decides to sign up for a credit monitoring service, there are a few key factors to consider when choosing a provider. These include cost. Credit monitoring services can be expensive, so it is important to choose a provider that offers a competitive price and a range of features that justify the cost. Features. Different credit monitoring services offer different features, such as credit score monitoring, identity theft insurance, and alerts for data breaches. It is important to choose a provider that offers the features that are most important to the individual. Reputation. It is important to choose a credit monitoring service with a good reputation for reliability and accuracy. Reading reviews and checking the provider's rating with organizations like the Better Business Bureau can be a useful way to evaluate their reputation. Customer service. In the event that an individual needs assistance or has a question about their credit monitoring service, it is important to choose a provider with responsive and helpful customer service. Credit monitoring services can be a useful tool for protecting against identity theft and other types of fraudulent activity. By carefully evaluating the cost, features, reputation, and customer service of different providers, individuals can choose a service that meets their needs and provides valuable peace of mind.